Hello, my name is Sean Ellsworth from Ellsworth Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal button and put it on your WordPress blog. I've logged into PayPal and I've clicked on the tab up at the top, Merchant Services, and it takes us to this page. Currently, this is where you would find the button to push, Create Payment Buttons for your website. For now, you can click this button, and this is what we have now. What you do is you can choose the button type. Buy now is a one-time transaction. Subscriptions, if you're doing recurring billing, this is the one that you want to click on. So we're going to hit subscription, and you want to set this first, because if you set this and then go change things and then come back and say, oh yeah, that's right, I wanted recurring billing, then it's going to wipe all that information. Okay, so we're going to call this subscription button. And what I usually do is I'll put, if I'm making a special button for a client, then I'm going to put their name. If I'm doing it for a certain price package, I'll include the price, so that later when I look at my saved buttons, it's easy to find which ones I've made before, and then I can decide which one I want to use. Okay. Subscription ID optional, don't have to do that. Currency, US dollar. And here we go, billing amount each cycle. So let's say you're billing $100 per cycle, and then here you set the cycle. You can do months, days, weeks, years. Okay, so we're going to bill $100 a month with the billing cycle. After how many cycles should the billing stop? If it's a set amount, let's say you're doing $100 a month for 6 months, kind of an installment plan thing, then here you could say, we're gonna quit after 6 months. But usually it's a recurring payment. I hit never. Now, if you have a setup fee that you would like to charge, this is where you would do that. I want to offer a trial period. So you're going to click here, and the amount of the bill for the trial period. So let's say we're going to, we've got a setup fee of $500, and then it's $100 a month. Depending on how you do it, you're going to need to do the math here. If the first month you charge just the setup fee, then it's going to be $500. If the first month you charge the setup fee plus the first month, then it would be $500 plus $100, and you'd put $600 here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go $600. And it's a 1 month trial period. And then you can even, do you want to offer a second trial period? So for instance, if you wanted to split this into 2 payments, you could say, yes, I'm going to offer a second trial period, and the second month it would charge that amount. It's pretty cool. So for now, what we're doing is we're going to charge $600 the first month. That's a $500 setup fee plus $100 a month. And then your recurring payment, you don't want it to stop. It's every month, and it's $100. Okay? So that is what you set up. Now, you've got a step 2 and a step 3 here. We're not going to mess with that. This is tracking an inventory, profit and loss. It will track that kind of stuff for you. And then step 3 is if you want your thank you page to be a special page on your site, you can go here and say, after they've done the transaction, send them to this thank you page where you could give them a video. Hey, thank you so much for signing up for XYZ. But we don't, for our purposes today, we don't need to do that. So we're going to hit create button. All right. Now we're here reviewing our button code. This code here is if you want to put a button on your website. Okay. So we're going to grab this, copy it. And now we're going to go to, actually before we leave here, this is if you want this button, subscribe with all the little credit card logos. This is the code that you would grab. If you want to do a custom link, or just have a text link on your site, or do a custom button, or email someone, say, hey, here's what you need to do. Click on this button and pay your bill. Then you would come here to the email, and it gives you a direct link to your purchase page. So we're gonna check this out right now real quick. Okay, so we're gonna copy that, go to a new tab, and And here we are, okay, Ellsworth Marketing and Design, subscription button, $600 for the first month, $100 each month after that. Total amount, $600, sign in here. Okay, you might notice on mine, I've got a no PayPal account, pay using your credit or debit card. I pay an extra, I think it's $20 a month to have this so that my customers don't have to set up a PayPal account. I think it's worth it. Some people don't like having to set up a PayPal account. But anyways, that's what that is. And so I tell people, it's like, click on the link. You're going to go to PayPal. I've been using for 4 years. They're my credit card processing company. You don't have to set up an account. Just click on this link and use your credit card, and you're good to go. So I tell them that. All right. So we're going to come back and we're going to go to the website link. We're going to grab this, copy that, and go to the blog here. Okay, so we're going to just call this our payments page for now. Okay, payments page, and this is the button to sign up for XYZ services. Okay, and then we're going to come down and paste that code in there. Now, you're going to, because we're working with HTML code, you're going to want to be on the HTML button. Okay, if you're on the visual button, then this code is going to show up on your page. You don't want that. So you want to be on the HTML code and type that in. Okay, and then we're going to update. And we're going to view the post. Make sure it's there. And sure enough, there we go. So this is my payments page. And this is the button to sign up for XYZ services. Services has created a link for some reason, don't know why, but there's our subscribe button on the page. We hit it just to check, and sure enough, we end up on this page. Ellsworth Marketing, $600, $100 a month after that, and okay. So, anyways, that's how you do it. All right, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.